cat 2-6 on and call it bunch. Boy in a full white, in a red like fire. So the man in the story, not see him again.
So how which man that know?
I just see when me around tree, one storm blew. 51 storm.
So what you remember now, like the days when you used to sit under the tambourine tree and what you remember about them something?
Right. You sit under the tambourine tree. You know, I remember, man. And when Rose was there.
Yes.
Rose and we did play a night tambourine tree. Then, you know, me and you come to me back and I said, come to me back, man, give you a jacket. You know, so when he come to me back, me shift me back and drop and break in. Me sorry so tell. Lord, boy, that's a wrong thing me do when me and you. And mama take hashes, put pan there and burn it up. And he go a lamper at Marant Bay. Lamper said very good. He stretch back the vein. Stretch back the vein. And when he come big hour day, I remember me go down in yard. He said, Jesus, King, me never remember it. Me sorry, yeah. Me move so you know. And he drop. And break in. Boy, me should do a thing like that. But you don't know pitney. Pitney.
Bredrin, we're talking about first time tie. We have to make with ties them.
Yes, make them with silk.
What do you remember what we used to make?
We take the bamboo root and make some ball.
Yes.
We take the pear seed, like yo.
Vivant.
Yes. You remember that?
Yes.
Yes, man. I will make when the bat now out of the coconut.
Bunker. What about the channel?
Yes, man. The bamboo channel nice too, you know.
When it connect?
Channel look for that, man. Channel. Me say, you remember all of them, man.
All right. What you remember about the trumpet root now?
The trumpet root. Where the trumpet where them blow us up? Root.
No, man. The trumpet tree root. We used to use the root, the vein. We make ball, and we use it. We get the flat one. No, but yes, man. But we get the flat one now off of the trumpet tree if we make the bat.
Yes.
Because it could take the linseed oil. Yeah, man.
We use mawo to make bat, you know.
Yes, man. When you use the mawo and use the bottle, glass bottle, scrape it. Pretty.
And now one sheet on a river and you use the yoke to make bat. The yoke much lighter and the mawo heavier. But all them days they coming up, man. I said that. I said nice, you know, them days. I know it nice, really. Yes, man.
I remember we used to use, what we used to do with the apple blossom.
And we have to blossom, we want something with it, you know. We take it blow like fifi.
And we use it, make the pop gun.
Yes.
The bamboo, the young bamboo giant.
Yes, a little bearing.
And put
ram it
the two in.
And
push it to the little piece of bamboo. It
so
bursts.
We use the bamboo, make the pop gun.
Yes, the pop gun.
Yes,
and piece of bamboo for push it.
The apple blossom now ram it.
Blow
in there.
Yeah, you blow in there.
And caulk it.
And rub it on the thing that it's smooth.
It like chibum, you know. So
yes, man.
Nobody with that in a trouble.
Yeah.
But nobody with that.
Yes,
man. Well, the giant clappers now, you can't bust that on nobody's feet.
No, man.
The condense pan and make it icy condense pan.
And burst it.
And lick out the bottom.
Yes.
Just put the condense pan over it so and light it. Light it quick and put the pan over it and move it. It gone
way up in the air. Yeah.
Well, the little common clappers now, don't take that run dog.
We used to buy that are the giant we used to use for the condensed tin.
Right.
But then we use the little, we call that the penny, the 4 for penny.
Yes.
4 of that for penny.
Like the film pan dog, like we go and put it out. You burn people dog, you're not trouble.
Yes.
Burn dog. And the dog then keep you know.
Yes, when Christmas time.
Yes, because you like clappers on a run there. Well, the balloon now for the little girl balloon, you know. Chibum now will lick a man full. You burn him too, you know?
Yes, man.
You lick it on and put it, boy.
You used to put it in a slingshot too. And fire it.
I know we take the marble kill bird though.
Yes, man. Someone use marble shoot bird. You remember the RSI thing now?
Yes, if that burn you.
We used to rub it on stone or
Come burn you.
put your skin man had like fire.
Man, if I don't do that with you, you know, have fight.
Yes, man.
You see, then you rub it all the time, you know, you feel it, it's hot. It's hot. Well, the same thing there. The same thing there, and one like it, we can't eat, you know. We then call it something like that, banana bean.
Yes.
Banana, it can't eat, but if you don't understand it, work your belly till you're dead. You see, when you put it off in 1 pint, and that water will boil it to a mention, throw it away.
Oh.
And put on some more water, and you take it, cook your food. Man, cook it with the same water, you run in belly, you run in belly. Banana bean, you used to die go to, you know. Man, see it and not pick it, but then I know how to use it.
So, what is it that you remember now? What do you remember as from youthful days coming up now? Like, your life story, how it go? What do you remember? Going to school right up until today.
I tell you, if I'm at 3 years, you remember this will come up. But you see, when you don't at the 3 there, you know, remember it till you way up at 2021. I said,
yes.
I used to see when I around 3, one storm blew. I wake up and say, wait.
So that is which one I stand?
51 storm. I said, wait, I was so much breadfruit that I go and pear and leaf and tree, every tree limb. That I go. I remember one time we had one chicken. We have a mother in there. We had a chicken and we did have food on it. And we had tea, you know tea. And we look down so we see one man come and start to ball and glad, oh, mama come. So the man in the story, and I see him again.
So how which man that now?
Boy in a full white, in a red like fire. Full white. I remember everything from this right up, man.
So when the storm did blow, so you never did know the storm will come?
No man, that time I not small.
So you never know when the breeze are blowing either then? I mean, you sleep.
Me not sleep. About 5 to 6 sound like that. Small. But remember it when I come big, you know. The man and me and T used to make some little house and, you know, them dolly house and, well, when I go to Trinity school now, me used to follow Hockey come down, eat lunch and go back.
Hockey. So who is Hockey?
And I walked and went on the
houses. Oh, the tailor.
Hockey we call him, you know.
Yeah, man.
That man can dance. Ever seen dance?
Yes, man.
Ah, dear man. So, me and Honey dial about Riverside and Babe and my boy the Fanso, as he grand Fanso. As he grand. Fanso and Lee Center. Oh, Lee Center come with me. And we did the man and we did the cutting man. We cook and Israel, I remember Israel.
Miss Cat, Israel.
He come on that time and Jenny say he call me and me go and say, me not tell Jenny, say, me and him a good friend. Me follow him go over mountain, I go look food and feed mother and wash plate and, you know, mother tell him go in van. So he say he don't really call me. You only tell him, say, you tell Jenny, say, me know him. And me and him move good. And me go then say he don't really call me. He say, I want to go back now, man. Out there too hot. Israel go around 61, you know. 61. And what party remember right up, man, from that time right up. Right up. Remember when we played the church over there?
Yes.
And we used to go over there go sit down. Yeah. Me and you and Rowan. Rowan come all the while, you know.
So where is Rowan now?
Rowan in England. Rowan go around 63. Can you say he then go over straight in and stop at Portland? Many songs and talks the whole time talking about this. Oh, donkey days and all and something. Because after we go to school, me around 10. And he showed me how to pat donkey and carry cane.
Oh, that Israel?
No man, Rowan.
Rowan?
Yes,
Clive?
Clive, Rowan. And my Miss Beezy there, Ripper.
And Tita?
Tita out there?
Yes.
No, I look at me and say, no.
Mavis.
And she go up next. One time I go out there and I go see somebody. I come home, I say, but he just look serious. I say, he can't vex with me. I say, I have to see with me, calm me lose my sight. When I say, when Jenny come, you see him all the while and the man him talk, you know, say him and Jenny now, good friend. And me and Rowan, when I said we are bush, you know, take a long to come back. Actually, take was there. Just come, Rowan come up a bush up there, so you know, for that hill there and go look, like donkey. And
what that hill name?
Yeah, Go Ridge.
Oh.
Called Go Ridge, right up on the peak there. And we stay up there long, man, but and boy days come up, man. Yeah, tell you where I see Penny. No, Lynette. One time I see Penny, I grab here and see my work at post office there. And I go there and I talk, I say, I hold you up. And I tell you when I travel and thing, and I say, no. When Mama did him come, you know.
Man, where did come?
Penny did come. And me and him talk now, but through Tilia came, you know, my sister. I don't know if I go back, but he never come up here, so. But Lynette didn't come up. Lynette come up here, so man. Because I say, after I leave with them, I go meet up Lynette in front of me, you know. And me and he did that. But see, Lynette all the while, man, all the while. So we just live and go on here, my brother, because look here, life stays so. Life stays so. One man named Bossy, and the Bossy don't have call that. He say he can't go more, so. Else he to that go.
If I saw it, did figure out.
He said he can't go more, so. And he's right, because if he could have go better, it would have go better. But he said he can't go more, so.
Yes, Bredrin, you said the banana thing. Say
Yes.
that with me here.
When
you go to sell the banana over the stand.
Yes, we look at 2 6 and call it bunch. And the bunch and 9 and that money them pay you for. But if you carry 1 and pay you a little bit of money for it still.
One's like 1 6 and?
Yes, if you carry 1 they don't pay you for it, but they don't give you nothing much. But if you carry a mule load, a donkey load, 2 donkey load and a mule load, cause that nation me have. Alright, so me follow him and Rowan go there. So I say, Rowan, I'm not them do so. He say, I will bring. So when you go check your money up there now, if you go cash it up at Johnny Bird shop, yes, he say, the 2 6 and pay for 1 bunch. That's a 9 and so then we have the 3 and.
So who used to pay the money? Johnny Bird?
Yes, the
so
white man give them.
Who do the selection of the banana now?
There's some man down there now. You see, my man there, Marat, be a gas station here. Anyway, he did a select, you know. Clark are the main right and 2 more white men. Come from England or maybe they come from Africa. Them buy car England, them buy car
England.
ship. So, eh?
Yes,
2
England.
white men do there, yes. One near Wingy and one next one. We got 2 Wingy tall. I send them a ball about bunch 8, 6, 7, and he said next. And fast, and you know, so them buy banana all day and all night too.
Oh.
Give the order set the cut. And when they come up much, he chuck a jar banana and everything.
So they don't leave until they buy everything?
Everything they buy. If you see rejection, show don't go. Man don't want it. Man don't want it, you know, because I tell you, so the man can 2 donkey load and man mule load. He gone and left any rejection and go there. And if you want a farmer do that. If you see banana there, if you want how much bunch you can take them, the man say, take them and now carry them back of the field. Because they don't want them a yard neither. That our 60 and 61, me did it with them. 62, me left come back here. And me left road with that man there. So if you see rejection banana there, Lord, you see down a marant where them in pick up the finger them. It's worse than that. Remember say people used to take them bag, go to cut banana in a fuss, amaranth. Well, after them I sell them it to the heap. Banana used to plenty, you know. They whole amaranth plant out with banana and they take with them one. The rejection not throw them along. But like them finger them up, finger.
But like the banana stand up
there, side
barracks. Yeah, there you know.
Yes.
There you say truckloads of banana you used to.
Come out them mans in a drive, Roddy Graham a drive and I tell them catch a fight there. And
who catch a fight?
Roddy Graham a mans in. And Roddy Graham give him a uppercut and them did it. All them time everything there you know. And rock, steel, a cafe, Clifton, Bowden. So
for Tiger Hilton?
Yes.
That is the Coley Chapman there.
Ah, he get the truck, you know. When he did, he get the truck still, get the truck, Clifton. Yes. And when he get the truck, Miss Silton, and want to get it, take it away from him. And when you take it away from him, what you think? Well, let me tell you, this thing where we hear is easy. Right at Coley gate where you have to go through a front TV, so. And I come from down so and a crossroad, you know. The truck turn over right there, so almost mash up.
I mean, at the time, who did control the truck when it turned over?
He get to Clifton, Miss Silton, and he give it to him. And Tiger said he give it. So they say, a duppy. Miss Silton get frightened and call him and give back the truck. My man don't mash it up. No, because them tell her, I say, I man a mash it up.
Tiger?
And then they long time. He did 6 months. He did long time, so you see where man have none himself. So I did Tiger and mash up the truck.
So she called him and give him?
And give it back. I build him up. Build him up, that's it. He fix it up and work it and buy another truck and make him house up. Pass that valley road there. When you pass a parade and go there. I hit build him up, you know. I mean, I work on the show up cane like side man.
And learn to drive?
Yes, and he then truck there take one eye and so on, so boom my engine.
And crank it?
Yes, and him do it now good. Every time then send one other man it can't start. And Cliff and Hilton send him. And do so it turn and send in front with Hilton. And he you know, left the truck. Anything at all when crap done in the day. So man out there, he said, Miss Hilton, give him the truck when he did it here. Lord Jesus. He get it. I'm around it. People say, Miss Hilton, you're a fool. Take back the truck for him and you can't give him a truck. He take it back. I will take it back and have it there. The truck turn over there, so I mash up them and see a seat. Mash up and label.
Right near the shop, or the house where them live.
Then say, give it back. And if I didn't give it back, no. So, we are saying they not no power. So how that go now? They say, Miss Hilton, your seat. Tiger kill, mash up it up, I'll kill you, I'll kill the book, the man. Give it back. Call him and give it back. Free, you know. Big truck, I think if I know that could have go and sell that. Sell that. Say to man near or further busy. Sell it.
Man buy the truck and go work, man.
Yes, because my man will take it work.
But no right for Duppy business.
Duppy, how much?
A story.
Lie. Hey, my man take that and build up himself. Your wife and pick them up and make a nice house down in there. Your car and truck down there. Take this same truck and build up himself and laugh after them.
That's what I feel.
I feel.
Yes, man.
He work long with the man and he said he give it well.
And good worker.
Yes, he good worker man. He take it from my boy, I work with him. You know. Take it away from him, the man get a license give him. I said, no, I can't give all that truck. The truck
you want to give peace? So
and they also mash up.
So when it break down now, it become peace. So I'm going to go fix it up.
He fix it up, man.
Then the piece thing couldn't give the whole that truck.
Alright. So you see, when man are frightened in this world, you have to know good. And check it out, he said, no, sir, couldn't Hilton, and dead gone. Then I'm very about a year. I'm lie. But then frightened him and he gave it back. I see that he lose a whole truck, me I tell you. God, when me hear me say, not a duppy can't frighten me.
No, sir.
Me I sell it, finding dead me I sell it. Cause a little money could have buried my man. I bury him. But me I sell that.
Yeah, sure.